Hi, my name is Sam Price, the Crypto Lifer, and today we're going to deep dive into the top 5 meme coins. We're going to start with the obvious large cap, and we're going to kind of bring you down into some small cap gems that are more high risk. Again, none of this should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before getting into any project, coin, or trade. With that being said, let's have some fun. Let's jump on into the charts. Let's jump on into the market cap, and let's talk about these top 5 meme coins. The number one meme coin may be obvious to you, but I still believe there's major moves here. We have Dogecoin at 38 cents at a $56 billion market cap. And you would say, but Sam, everyone's already into this. How could it make me any money? It's just too big. However, with the Department of Government Efficiency gaining traction on Twitter, them actually doing something, a lot of feeling behind Doge. Doge gets that, that memes are feelings. You got to have someone to have something to believe in. And Doge really has that. If you look at Doge in the 4-hour, it's consolidating nicely. If you look at it on the daily, it does have to probably come back to this 21-day moving average. So to me, you have a little bit of time possibly to get into Doge, maybe a few more days before its next big leg up to about 67. So I see Doge about to double up not too long from now. Large market cap, but it's gaining momentum. You have to understand, people buy what they see. People are going to jump into Coinbase. They're going to hear about Doge. Their friend's going to be in Doge. They're going to feel comfortable. A lot of retail is going to press the Doge button. It makes sense to me. It's not going to be that risky. They're going to feel more comfortable. And there's still a double up and more. I believe Doge could easily triple to $150 billion market cap. You'd be surprised, but I believe it can. But definitely a double is coming up for Doge, and it seems like it could happen faster than you realize. The next token is Brett. Now, Coinbase created their own chain called Base Chain, right? Base is big, and you think Coinbase has billions of dollars. They're a very successful company. I feel like all their ventures would do well. Brett was one of their first meme coins, so I bought it at about a $200 million market cap after it had come out of the trenches, and we're already up huge there, about over an 8x on our Brett buy if you got in when I did. Now, am I trying to dangle that in front of you? No, I still believe there's some movement here for Brett, and let's talk about why. I mean, the bigger meme coins are at 30 billion, 50 billion Dogecoin. So it's showing you that institutional support, people, they want to get in. VCs, everyone realizes that that's where retail is going. And so they want to get in first. If retail piles into memes, then that's what we have to be getting into. And so this could easily still get to, I believe, a $7 to $10 billion market cap. There could still be a 5x coming here. And this could get to about $1. Brett on Base. If anything can get there, Brett could do it. They can list Brett on Coinbase. It has access to the most retail. And so for me, Brett is just something that I had to have. And any pullback Brett has, I believe, is a great opportunity. Right now, Brett has pumped beautifully, but it's in a bit of a flag. Again, just like Doge, we're seeing consolidation here. You want to wait for this, to pull. If you get a dip, if you get a Bitcoin dip, anything pulls back, these would be great opportunities. But if it continues to consolidate, I see this thing headed up to 28 cents sooner than later. And Brett is just a premier pick when it comes to Base Chain. I think Brett is something that is just to continue to do numbers and, more of a safer bet. They're all high risk, but more of a safer bet, in my opinion, when it comes to these meme coins. My next runner-up, the third coin, is Floki. This has a bigger market cap than Brett. Remember, Brett has the smaller market cap so far, but 2.38 billion. This moves with the Shibs, the Doges, the Pepes. It kind of had that, first meme coin effect. Now, what is Floki, right? Floki came from the movie, for the series The Vikings, right? He was such an awesome character. He invoked a lot of emotion. He got people going. So Floki can create that cult-like movement. It already kind of has done that, right? I love Floki. I think Floki can do numbers. I've been buying Floki for a while, and I think Floki can really go places. Floki also is awesome at marketing. 652,000 followers on their Twitter. But right now, in the last 4 hours, they just launched a marketing campaign in Delhi, NCR. They're continuing to push the envelope. They are continuing to push the envelope. They're awesome. They're doing a lot of stuff. So Floki, I see them continuing. Their team is strong. They have other tokens they're working on. They're big. They're boss. And I like Floki. If you look at Floki here, it just had a huge run up, but it's away from the 21-day moving average. Look for a Floki to consolidate. I could see it pull back to this 0.022731 level. That would be a key area. When the 21 on the daily comes back into price action, that would be a key area to get into Floki, and then a big move could ensue. Floki is very close to its all-time high, but just not there yet. And look, this is a bit what we call an Adam and Eve double bottom too. This is a known bottoming pattern that's about to actually rip to the upside. We're going to show you that later on too in this video, something that's going to blow your mind. The fourth meme coin that I think you should definitely be watching and having on your radar. This one is more high risk, but the market cap is so low. There's juicy gains coming out of this thing. This thing's sitting at a $400 million market cap, could easily 10x to $4 billion. And I mean, you could see something bigger if it gets to a $10 billion market cap, right? You do the math, you're looking at about almost a 20x if this thing could do damage more than a 20x. So I think there's a 20x coming out of this, 10 to 20x Ponky, all right? It's got the works, it's got the vibes, it's got the community. People like it. I hear about it all the time. They're doing well with their marketing. There's got a whole team behind them. Look, if you look at trending searches, just right here, Ponky is in there in those trending searches, one of the top ones on CoinGecko. People are liking their Ponky. People are happy with their investment. We started getting into Ponky around 40 cents. It is now ripped up to 80 cents and doubled up. But I believe Ponky can still do numbers. If you look at Ponky here, it's sitting inside a bit of a flag here that can still continue further to the upside. I see Ponky making a pretty one last pump up to 93, maybe before a bigger pullback because it's been pumping for a while. But these are the coins you want to look at. If we ever do get a pullback, if something happens, you want to write down Ponky. I believe it's hot, and this thing could continue to do numbers. Ponky at number 4 on the radar. We're going to go all the way down now to the lowest market cap coin here, $116 million market cap, Maneki. People like to joke my back and Maneki, but Maneki is hot. It's the treasure cat, you know, the Cheshire cat of Japan, right? They love it. It's like, you know, the aura, it's cool. It's got that essence, right? And so it represents a community and a culture, like an entire culture, the Japanese culture. So to me, it could do numbers in that sense, and it's cultural and worldly. And so you're kind of exposed to that too as well. It's on multiple exchanges, including even on decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. A lot of these you can get on MEXC. MEXC is like the quickest exchange. They make sure to get these coins from the DEXs to MEXC. MEXC gets them really quicker than I've ever seen a centralized exchange get them. When you look at Maneki, it looks very interesting. Again, away from the 21. I see Maneki pulling back here. It looks like you're going to be able to get a chance to get Maneki somewhere at 01066. If it does that beautiful pullback, I would be looking for Maneki to do that, right? You don't want to chase. You want to wait for pullbacks to the 21-day moving average on the daily time frame. Another thing I want to show you my Twitter here. Mr. Miggles was in this beautiful Adam and Eve with the slow, you know, accumulation, long accumulation, and then boom to the upside. And if you look at Maneki, I took the Mr. Miggles, basically took that fractal, slapped it on, and you can see likely for a big move coming. It looks absolutely beautiful. So Maneki also setting up for a big move here to the upside. Maneki probably the one with the most potential because it has $100 million market cap. It gets to $1 billion, that's a 10x. It gets to $2 billion, it's a 20x. I mean, there's a chance Maneki could 50x if it gets to a $5 billion market cap, the way this meme coin craze is going. I hope you like this video about my top 5 meme coins, you know, basically from lower risk all the way to higher risk. Wanted to kind of show you the span of, you know, where you could dabble. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say and do should be taken as financial advice. And, anything that you do is up to you. But I just wanted to give you this information, let you know what I'm doing. I personally own every single one of these coins. So just disclosure, I own every one of these coins. I have them all in my portfolio. So I'm not showing you something that I don't actually already invest in. I will make another video, which is going to show you kind of where we're going, the prophecy, the meme coin prophecy, because it's turning into an AI sentient movement here. And there's going to be some really AI agents and AI. There's a lot coming on, and I needed to make another video to show you kind of where meme coins are going because they are evolving and there is something happening here. And so stay tuned for that. That video will blow your mind, and I'm going to be able to do the top 5 AI sentient meme coins. They're going to change your life. So look out for that video. I'll be putting it out later on this week. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.